We are Luca and Sara from leaveeverythingandwander. We have traveled from Alaska to Argentina, remodeling and renovating our old truck camper Lucky Liu on the road.
We are now back in Italy, and we are keeping our do-it-yourself skills in good shape, challenging ourselves with projects that we've never done before.
We will start our van conversion. We are having some issues finding the right materials.
From where we should start. What's up, beautiful people?
Good morning! We are starting to work. Today will be a long working day, but we are super pumped up. We want to try to finish at least the floor.
Yeah.
We hope.
No, we will do this.
Let's do it. It's
Let's do this.
7 a.m. in the morning.
Yes.
We have all day to do this, so let's try.
Yeah.
First of all, I will have to cut this piece of wood to fill up all these gaps. Not the small ones, but the large ones. So we have all here to fill up with this. So the plywood that is really thin will not break. The small ones, we will just fill it up with the foam.
Traveling spirit, I've seen many shores, from the West Pacific to the island of Canyon.
I'm starting with this half, and for now, this is how it looks. I will put some glue and glue them on the bottom part of that.
I just went to the post to pay some taxes and our box arrived. So we have different tools. This one for the construction of the cabinets and the bed will be super useful. We bought two types of insulation panels. One for the soundproof, and the other one for the heat. So one is thermo, the other one I will show you right now. I will do the unpackaging, sorry. We have different panels of this.
Now I'm gluing all these little pieces of wood on the floor. So then we will be able to put that one,
First the foam.
the foam, and that
Then-
one, so they will not move.
Like this.
Yes, go, push.
Salgo tu sopra. Okay, we put some weight on it, so we will push it down. And in this case, some extra virgin olive oil will save you.
We don't only drink it, but we also use it.
12 bottles of pure extra virgin olive oil.
While that side of the van is drying, the foam is drying, we are working on this side. We are cutting and creating a step, because down here there was a round step. We will do it square because it will be easier to work with. We don't have many tools, so making things square allowed us to build things.
Efficient and fast.
Yes, exactly.
It's time for lunch and we are going to harvest our zucchini blossoms, our zucchini flowers. In the garden we have some beautiful flowers that are edible. I'm talking about zucchini blossoms, zucchini flowers. And today we are gonna cook a dish, a typical dish with this ingredient. We will cook risotto with fiori di zucchina and zafferano. We have the female blossoms and we have the male blossoms. And they are pretty easy to recognize from the inside and from the outside. I will show you now how. Okay guys, so here it's quite easy to see. This one is a female because you see it's connected with the zucchini, with the fruit. And this one back here is a male flower because we have a really long and thin stem. And from here we will not have the fruit, we will not have the zucchini. The zucchini will grow just from the female. When the female begins to produce the zucchini, then the role of the male is over. I will show you now from the inside how to recognize the male and the female. This one is a male flower because if you look at the inside we have just one stamen. In the female flower, if we open this, we have a stigma with 3/4 pistils. Why I'm telling you this? Because both of the flowers, the female and the male, are edible. You can cook, you can eat them, no problem. But it's better for your garden if you pick just the male flowers. We just need one male flower to pollinate the other female flowers. So it's okay to cook and to pick the male, so we will not destroy the garden.
Just remember to leave at least one male. Che delizia! Wow!
You deserve it.
This looks beautiful.
I hope that it tastes also.
And tastes even better. Buono.
Buon appetito.
The risotto was amazing, but now let's go back to work. We have to deal with this step.
Wow.
We still have to finish all these little pieces and then put all the plywood and this will be done.
And here you will put something, yeah, just here.
This, like this.
Okay.
I still need to build all these
Okay.
sides. This is the step we'll be putting in there. And then this one on top.
Now we will do the second half.
Yes.
With the foam. Step / box.
Perfetto.
Spingo giù.
Sì, spingilo dentro. Time to put this insulation.
This is a flooring underlay.
As always, Sara's job is to read the instructions.
Before installing, ensure that the floor is level, dry and secure. It must not contain substances such as thinners, plasticizer, solvers or similar products.
So we're already clean all there. The other side is still drying.
We are making the floor better than the one we did inside for the utility room. We didn't put this. You know, it's better to be insulated even if it's summer, for the cold and for the hot weather. So would be.
Okay, let's start.
Yeah, I'm cutting this underfloor panel, so we need to do the same shape of the plywood. And it's just 1 meter, so we have 1 meter and 66. So we need to cut in 2 pieces, following the shape of the van inside. It's really thin, it's easy to cut, and this will insulate the van properly.
Super easy.
Yeah.
It's not like the plywood.
No, definitely not. And done. Now we need to install the flooring. It's called honey. It's quite thick, water resistant, really strong.
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you.
It's coming along pretty nice. I can't wait to see tonight, this evening, what we can accomplish.
Trust me, I got it all figured out. Trust me, I got it all figured out. Trust me, tell me your secrets and I hide them away inside. Keep them real safe in the palm of my hand.
It's getting dark, beautiful people, but we were able to complete.
The flooring.
Wow.
Please, Sara, show it. Show it.
Show it, show it. What do you think,
Beautiful.
guys? Do you like the color?
We still need to buy some pieces to cover here the step.
Yeah, with stainless steel, I think we will
Yes, but for now
do. And
this
then
will be
here are the
wood.
wood. But for now, I think that
We made it.
we made it, and we will call it for the day.
Yeah, I still need. It's getting dark, and I still need to look at this mess. I still need to put all these inside the house, and it's getting dark, and I'm completely destroyed.
I prepared dinner in the meantime.
Sara is getting dinner ready.
Yeah, for the two
Workers.
crazy workers. Okay, just come here because I'm so proud of what we have done.
Yeah.
I would like to have, let's sit here and just. Okay.
The Italian words for today are lavorare,
Work.
ti amo.
I love you.
L'altra qual era?
L'altra era
Lavorare,
work.
ti amo,
I love you.
a presto.
See you soon.
Lavorare,
Work.
ti amo,
I love you.
a presto.
See you soon. And see you soon, guys.
See you soon, beautiful people. We hope you like the videos. If you like it, please show us with a big thumbs up.
Hit the notification bell and please consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done already.
Stay tuned because we will keep working hard to get this van ready for hitting the road. Van Life Italy is waiting for us.
If you want to support us, you can find our link to Patron or our PayPal link if you want to support our production, our conversion, our videos, the two of us. Remember that we love you guys, we appreciate you, and thank you for coming along with us. We can wait to take you along with us through Italy.
Yes, la vita è bella.
Life is beautiful.
Ciao.
Ciao. Let's start our recipe. I will teach you how to cook an amazing, outstanding risotto with fiori di zucchina. Let's see the ingredients for this recipe. Riso arborio, zucchini blossoms, 1 onion, saffron, white wine, vegetable broth, extra virgin olive oil. We need to remove this moustache here. If you do it like stuffed or fried, you want to keep this, so you will remove just the stem inside. You will just go like this and you will remove this one. For the risotto you can cut completely this, so it will be empty. We will do this for all our zucchini blossom. We will put the oil and our onion. When our sofrito is ready, we can add the risotto. We will stir and leave it like this for 3 to 5 minutes. We will add our wine and we will keep cooking the rice until the wine has been absorbed by the rice. Now we will add the water and 1 tablespoon of vegetable granular broth. Now we will add the saffron and we will let it cook. Let's say 3 minutes before the risotto is cooked, is ready, we will add the zucchini flowers. We will gently incorporate the blossoms to our risotto. If you want to have a super creamy risotto, you can add 1 tablespoon of butter and some parmesan cheese. And voila! This is my risotto with zucchini blossoms and saffron.
I got